Hello everyone, in today's video we're actually going to be looking at an interesting topic. A lot of people have been asking me, what is the potential of this business? How do you take it to the next level? How far can you go with this? So we're actually going to be answering the question, is it possible to make $1 million flipping tickets? Can you actually become a millionaire off of this business? So we're going to be looking at some key factors here and hopefully answer that question for you. So, our first goal for our members, now this may seem very small when you compare it to $1 million, but we're going to be talking about, how do you actually take it from this first goal and then get as high as possible. So the first goal for our members, this is just a preliminary goal for someone first starting out, brand new, newbie, is an average of about 8 tickets a week at $125 profit each. That right there would give you 4K a month, then you can build it from there. So this is all just average numbers. Maybe you might be doing 10 tickets a week and it might be X profit. This is just an average number of about 8 tickets a week at $125 profit each, 4K month, 4K a month, and you can build it from there. And then, just taking it to 6 figures alone, all you'd really have to do is just about double that number, and you're already at 6 figures. And the way our company works is we give alerts on exactly which events will be profitable. And so, you can check out some more info on that. A link will be in the description. And for each alert, you can actually buy dozens of tickets when you add up all the locations and the number of artists. So getting to 8 tickets a week isn't hard at all. That is something that's easy to achieve. It's not unachievable. 8 tickets a week is very easy. And our alerts, like I said, we're alerting events where you can actually buy dozens of tickets. So the potential is really outrageous with this business. Before we talk about, dollar amount, we have to look at the return on investment because that does play a key factor in the way our system works and how far you can actually take it. So as a general rule of thumb, this is not set in stone. We look to do about 40 to 70% return. That obviously varies. And for super, super high demand events, we've even seen 2 to 3 times face value and even higher than that. We've seen as high as 800% return, even higher than that. So the potential, like I said, is truly outrageous. This business, you could really take it anywhere as far as you want to take it. And of course, like I said, this varies depending on every location, the artist, the venues. Many different factors go into the return. But when we list our tickets, we get suggested prices, so it does make it easy as far as knowing how to price them. So understand that the entertainment industry is a multi-trillion-dollar empire. We're getting our piece of the pie, right? If you take something as big as the entertainment industry and you get just 0.0000001% of it, you're still doing pretty well. So the potential is actually much more than a million. And the reason I say this is because when you have concerts and events and sporting events and all these different shows with so many different dates and so many different locations, if you add it all up, there's actually, frankly, dozens of events happening every single solitary day. Just in the US alone, we've had people take this to other countries, but for the most part, we just do the US market. That's just where our experts know best. But the reason the potential is much more than a million, like I said, is because and obviously this won't happen immediately, but you can actually get to a point where you have tons and tons of tickets selling weekly, you have tons of tickets selling daily. Personally, it is happening to me where I do have tickets selling weekly and daily, and that does not get rich quick. It does not happen overnight. Many factors play in as far as your budget, how much profit you're looking for each event. So it's not going to happen overnight, but you can get to that point. So, in short, the answer is yes. Yes, it is. There are multi-million-dollar ticket brokers out there. There's people who are making upwards of 8 figures, getting close to 9 figures. So the answer is yes, it is possible. We're not going to claim that you will make $1 million. I'm not near $1 million yet, but the potential is there and it is possible. The entertainment industry is something really, really massive. It's pretty much the largest industry in the world, one of them. Live experiences, even nowadays, people are going more towards live experiences as opposed to, video games and things like that. The numbers are actually increasing. So it is possible, and really, we'll be happy to help you get there. We're happy to actually hold your hand through the entire process, walk you through from A to Z. So if you want to learn some more info, you can click that link down below, and you can get the ball rolling as soon as possible. Thank you, and I hope you got something out of this. Thank you very much.